mga ka-offshore and friends. Another weather update for the day as per Storm Geo forecast. Wind speed coming from easterly direction, 8 knots gusting to 10 knots. Sea state, calm to slight. So shoutout sa tanang mga ka-offshore din ha. Sa tanang mga followers nako nga mga ka-offshore and friends. Maayong adlaw, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa tanan. And God bless us all. This is your Cap Pro on duty.
Oh wow!
Stay tuned to another weather update. Daghang salamat.